This is what Emma looks like when she's preening and sorting out her feathers. All the while, Kev's doing the same thing and he keeps making weird noises. Make some weird squeaking noises in a second. Zoom back to her. They're such majestic little birds though. I absolutely love it when they fan their feathers out. So this looks so darn cute. You're trying to pull out some deaf feathers. There you go, sweetie. I think you're getting it. There you go. I don't want to pull it out because she's still working on it. Let's see what one she's trying to get. The look on her face when she's doing it. So she knows I'm watching. So she's looking at me as if to say, why aren't you doing anything to help? Oh, she's scratching her head now.